we made it to the nice little town of Sorrento.
And now we're off on a boat tour of the Amalfi Coast. Stay tuned. We start our tour from Sorrento. The first stop is Cascatella di Punta Lagno, then Li Galli, and we continue towards Amalfi. After that, we go to Positano, and then back to Sorrento. Vai sotto! Vai sotto, vai, vai! You know what time it is?
It's Prosecco o'clock!
Cheers!
Cheers!
We had a beautiful view of the island of Capri and the famous Faraglioni.
Well, you know, I have to be on a ship, I have to be on a boat, I have to be on a water. I'm a Scorpio, you know, Scorpio is a water sign. And we need to be on the water all the time, and that's exactly where I live. This is my natural habitat.
We are in the Galli Islands, here in the Amalfi Coast, and the water is absolutely beautiful.
Wow. This may not be a cruise ship, but I'll take it.
I'll take it too.
Yeah. Lunchtime. Here we are, we made it to the beautiful town of Amalfi here in Italy. You know, the sun is shining, it is a wonderful day, and this place is famous for lemons. You'll find fresh lemons, you'll find limoncello, you'll find everything lemon that you could possibly even think of, and more. We sat down here at a coffee shop, and guess what I'm ordering? Ordering a lemon sorbetto, and in this particular coffee bar, what they do is they put limoncello in it. It's so good. And here we have my sorbetto. We've got two. We've got one here, which is a lemon sorbetto. Let's give this a try. Super lemony. This one is the limoncello. This one should be boozy. Boozy. This is so good.
From the bridge in Furore, every summer they do a professional diving competition.
Well guys, we have arrived in Positano.
Let's take you around.
All right.
Follow us. This is something really famous in Positano, our handmade sandals. So if you come to Positano, you should try them out.
Another thing that Positano is famous for are an endless amount of stairs.
Look at the postcard behind me. Isn't it amazing? Those stairs are totally worth it. Hey folks, we are sitting down for the ice cream here in Positano, and coincidentally this is the same place where they film one of the scenes in Under Tuscan Sun, where she has dinner with her and she meets a new boyfriend.
Boy Meets Girl. Who doesn't love Boy Meets Girl?
Such a good movie.
Well, what are we doing? We're ordering some gelato.
And some granita, which is icy, slushy with lemon juice.
Yes, because it's so hot.
It's really hot.
It's so hot out.
And behind us is the Spiaggia di Positano, the beach.
We look forward to going in there actually. We're gonna go in there. We gotta go in.
We gotta go ahead.
If not, we're gonna jump in from the boat.
Yeah, from the boat for sure.
Definitely.
Okay guys. Well, this is a granita al limone, which is practically crushed ice with some fresh lemon juice and lemon zest, and looks so fresh, and it's really refreshing and delicious in this hot weather.
And for me, I got chocolate gelato and pistachio. Now hopefully I don't get this chocolate all over my shirt like I got my coffee this morning all over my shirt. Well folks, this isn't just the land of lemons, it's also the land of pistachios, because this pistachio ice cream is like, I wish I could describe it. I'm like, my mouth is just like, whoa. Well, this is the end of an afternoon in Positano and a bunch of beers later. Come on back with us to the boat.
We are leaving Positano now, and the next adventure is going to be swimming in the ocean again.
Ooh,
stay tuned.
That's going to be fun. Well folks, here we go. It's Prosecco o'clock.